Here I have Realme 8i, and today I'm going to show you how to change sound settings in screen recorder on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button screen recording. Hold your finger on it to access sound feed settings, and here you can see different, only two sound options. You can record system audio or you can record microphone audio. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.